I heard it. Can I have that? Oh, that mine. Give it to mommy. What? Oh. Your feet still smell? There it goes.
Go boom.
Are we doing?
I win again, Mom. 2 baskets. Go. Is Mommy sniffing your feet?
No? Not even a giggle? I bet you I can make you laugh. What's Mommy got? What's Mommy got? What you got? I got it right there. Right there.
You get your dick all tied.
Give me that. Right there, Mommy wants that. Right there. How about this side? Hey.
Your mom is silly. She's cuckoo.
You want to see me?
Do you want to come out?
Do you want to see Mommy? Ready? Gotta go easy. Put your feet down. Where do you put your feet? God bless you. Go easy.
It goes back here, Mommy. This is where we put the high chair away.
Thank you.
That's right.
What a good helper.
Now what are you going to do? Right back exactly where it goes.
What a good helper.
Mommy, you got you trained, buddy. Soldier.
Good helper. Can we do dance?
Yeah. Something on TV I want to see. Imagine that.